fun with addition. Let's add. Hi kids, today, we are going to learn something super fun. Addition. That means putting numbers together to make something bigger. Are you ready? Let's go. Addition means adding things together. Let's see how it works with some fun number pairs. First one, 2 plus 3 equals what? 2 plus 3 is 5. Here we have 2 apples. Let's add 3 more apples. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Great job. Next, 1 plus 6 equals what? Hmm. 1 plus 6 is 7. Here's 1 apple. Add 6 more. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Awesome. Next, 4 plus 4 equals what? Hmm. 4 plus 4 is 8. We start with 4 apples. Add 4 more. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. You're doing great. Next, 5 plus 2 equals what? Hmm. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 apples. Add 2 more. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. High five. Next, 3 plus 5 equals what? Hmm. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 apples. Add 5 more. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Woohoo! Next, 6 plus 3 equals what? Hmm. 6 plus 3 is 9. We start with 6 apples. Add 3 more. Now count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. You're on a roll. Next, 7 plus 2 equals what? Hmm. 7 plus 2 is 9. Here we have 7 apples. Add 2 more. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Amazing. Great job, kids. You just added numbers like a math champion. You're awesome. Keep practicing, and you'll be an addition superstar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math adventures. See you next time.